What's good? I'm back again with another recap. And on Wednesday, the 19th of August, I was able to catch a long position during the distribution window. Prior to 9:30 open, there was no setup for me personally. I just had to sit on my hand and wait for price action to play out. And I also was mindful that price was a bit bullish during London session, and I was mindful where price was about to open that we may want to reprice the regular trading hour gap. So this is the high and this is the low. This is the fib extension. This shows the premium areas, midpoint, and discount. Also, what you can see here is some key sell side liquidity lows. 5:30 a.m. low, and you can see there's some equal lows here, and this is the 1 a.m. low. This is the lowest low form during London session. So you can see 9:30 is about to open. We retrace slightly up and then we drop lower. So this is the manipulation window. So 9:30 is about to reprice the regular trading hour gap. So what I'm thinking is, if we reprice the regular trading hour gap and price was to sweep major sell side liquidity, then maybe we might get some sort of buy to then reprice the dealing range from 9:30 to 10 or 10:30, or maybe we might be able to target this high here. So as you can see, price is distributing lower on the 50-minute time frame. Eventually, price then sweeps London's low. So then now we have a slight retracement. So what I'm thinking is, I'm looking at time. If the 10 a.m. candle opens somewhere around here without sweeping this low here, then at 10 a.m. open, this low here would then be a 4-hour low, which is also a high probable draw on liquidity. So at 10 a.m., maybe price might want to come back down slightly, stop out people who think we're about to sell off, and then reverse, then continue going higher. So 10 a.m. open. So this is 10 a.m. open. We form a fair value gap after 10 o'clock. So bearish fair value gap. We retest this fair value gap, reject, and then we sweep this low here, which is a 4-hour low. Now, what I'm also looking on the higher time frame is, what is ES and YM and NQ doing? Are they sweeping the same sell side liquidity? Well, in this case, no. NQ sweeps London's low. ES and YM fell. ES even fails to sweep this low here. So this low here was swept on NQ, on ES, and YM it fails. So we have a higher time frame SMT in play. So NQ puts in the SMT. So this is showing strength on ES and YM. So then from 10 o'clock to 10:15, we're in the distribution window. So we're expecting price to then reverse and then distribute towards the next draw on liquidity. So now there is a 4-minute SIBI or 4-minute bearish fair value gap that's acting as resistance. If price then closes, right, then I'm looking for potential long setup. Also, what also confirms or gives me more conviction that price is looking to reverse is another SMT on the lower time frame. So this here, this low here, and this lower low here. So NQ makes a lower low on the lower time frame, whereas ES and YM fell. So we then form another lower time frame SMT as well. And I'm also looking to see where my stop loss is going to be. So my stop loss is going to be at the SMT. I'm going to be looking to enter at the inversion entry. And then I'm looking to target this 15-minute SIBI and the dealing range from 9:30 to the lowest low that's formed after 10 o'clock. So as I mentioned previously, the lower time frame SMT. So from this low to this low to this higher low. So ES makes a higher low, whereas NQ makes a lower low. This is an SMT on the lower time frame. So as you can see, price distributes to the 50-minute SIBI. We also reprice towards the 9:30 open, 9:30's first fair value gap as well. And then price slows down. And the reason why for price slowing down is because ES and YM sweeps this high here, NQ fails. So we now have a higher time frame, bearish SMT. So this is where ideally you should be looking to partial or close out your trade, because price could then reverse. As you can see with the PM session, we start reversing.